guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. If you guys are interested in these polygel nails with gel polish from Madam Glam, then just keep on watching. So these are infilled. 2 nails of these I'm going to infill with polygel, and then these 2 are new ones. I use these new tips that I got from Amazon that I showed in my last video if you guys are interested. And they are square tips, and here I am applying. First of all, I cleansed my nail with rubbing alcohol, and then I went over with the fine sanding band to rough up the surface of the nail, not too much, just a little bit, and then I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol to make sure we remove any dust and oil from the nails. Then I went in with Light Elegance Tack. This is a primer, but I really like it because it has a little bit of acetone in there, so you don't have to etch where your nail and the nail tip meet. So I use that. That cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then here I'm going in with the 2B Glam Base Gel. I really like 2B Glam, you guys. It's a great brand, super affordable. I will be using their polygels today, and I love their base gel. It's on the thicker side, so it's really, really nice. I'm applying this to all the nails, and then I'm curing it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I will be going in with their polygel. Okay, you guys, so here's the polygel. This one's called Sweet Talk. It's a really, really pretty milky white pink nude color. Really, really nice base color. I'm applying a little bit onto the nail, not too much. Here I applied way too much. I figured out with polygel that you need to apply less than what you think you do, and you want to make sure that the majority of the polygel is in the back 1/3 of the nail. That is the apex. That is going to ensure that your nails last. Now, I use some tips from Nailed by Nelly. She is really, really good with polygel. And I also changed up my brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, but it is bigger than those traditional polygel brushes, and I found it much, much easier to get smoother application. So if you guys are struggling, try using a bit of a larger brush. I am using a little bit of rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. And once I get to the tip there, you can just press towards the edge of the tip right there, and then that'll just remove any excess polygel from underneath. And I don't like to waste anything, so I just move that on to the next nail. I want to make sure that the nail bed area right at the cuticle area is really, really flush. You have nothing touching your skin. And yeah, I'm going to be doing the same process on this first finger. Okay, you guys, so I did flash cure these for 15 seconds in my UV LED lamp, and now I'm going in with this beautiful shimmer shade. I forgot what this one's called, but these all came in the gel extension kit. There were 2 solid colors and 2 shimmers, and I'm applying this onto the nail. Now, I did find that for some reason the shimmer color was harder to work with than the solid color, so if you're new to polygel, I would just try their solid colors. Yeah, so I'm using this brush here again, and I'm trying to make sure that the majority of the product is in the back 1/3 of the nail, and then I am pulling and patting this polygel down the nail towards the tip, and then I press the tip to remove the excess. You want to make sure that you are tucking in those side walls as well. Okay, you guys, so here I'm so sorry that this footage got cut out. No matter what I did, I could not bring the footage that I got from my phone onto the computer. But what I did here is I applied this purple color from Madam Glam and this pink color, and I did a French design, and then I applied some nail foils that I got from AliExpress into the pink French, and now I am applying some gold cuticle charms and these hearts. I am using the eye gel no wipe jewelry gel to adhere the gems, although I am looking for a new bling gel. I want one that goes in a tube. I find that one's just too messy and it gets all over my skin. So if you guys have any suggestions, I heard that the McCart one, Nails by Val, she said it's not good anymore, their formula, the rhinestone gel, as it used to be. They changed their formulation. So if you guys have anyone that's in a tube that you can think about, just let me know in the comments. I am applying these onto the nails, and I do have a discount code for Madam Glam. I will link that down below for you guys. I am not the hugest fan of their gel polishes. I find that they kind of go on kind of patchy for me, but that could be because I'm just new to gel polishes. I know a lot of you guys do love them, so I will keep that discount code for you guys in the description. What I do love from them is their base coat is absolutely awesome, and their top gloss, as well as their holographic cat eye polishes. So here I'm just going in with some caviar beads around the heart charms that I put on the nails, and these are coming out really, really cute. I really love them. So yeah, I'm going to continue on with this, and then I'm going to apply the Madam Glam top no wipe. It is a wipe top gel, so you have to wipe it with rubbing alcohol after you cure it in the lamp. So I'm going to continue on with that, and I will be right back. Going in with this gold. This is a platinum gel that I got from AliExpress, and I'm using this liner brush to just line the edges. I think it was really, really pretty and added a lot to the design, so I just do this on the edges of the nail. You guys can see here I cure it in my lamp, and then we are good to go, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final results. These are the final polygel nails. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!